What's up, girl? I know you see me. You see me? I'm looking real cute. I ain't gonna lie, like, cause I wasn't feeling the outfit at first, but now I love it. I'm not even gonna talk in this intro because y'all see it. I see it. We gotta get right into this look. So if y'all wanna see it, come on. Keep on watching.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey my dolls, I am back. I know it has been a minute since I sat down and did a tutorial, but I just uploaded a vlog. Another vlog is coming to y'all and it's gonna be really good. But y'all, bare face. I want to go ahead and clean my brows up because we gotta get right into it. I just want to do something really cute. I don't really know what. Something soft though. Let's hop right into this. I want to go ahead and clean my brows up and we're gonna jump right into it. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all want a series from me. It will be a beginners, well, not really a beginner series, a how-to series on makeup. Let me know. I'm continuing doing my vlogs. The vlog that y'all gonna be seeing this coming Tuesday, it's gonna be really good. And my birthday is coming up. It's my month. It's Gemini season, so I had to give me a snack, and today's snack is this. That's all I've been eating though. It's these protein chips. I eliminated my brows. They look good. I actually gotta go get them arched, well, waxed soon, and take my Sasha Buttercup setting powder out our brows. It's so hot. I gotta turn that fan back on, y'all. I can't take it. I can't take it. And make sure you're wiping the excess powder off. Louise Browsy Foo pomade, y'all. And we're gonna go ahead and do these brows, okay? Y'all, it took forever to do my brows. That and looking at story time and eating snacks, like, I need to do better. These brows are done. I'm gonna go ahead and take my base from my line, and this is from Be Fierce Beauty. If y'all haven't showered with me, go ahead and do so right now. What are y'all waiting on? Like, y'all are literally missing out. Y'all need to go shop. Okay, our base is on, so I want to go ahead and take my In the Buff palette from Beats by Deb, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take this, and I'm gonna go ahead and start off. I don't know why I want to do black. Start with black. Let's start with this dark brown. It's called Burnt Umber. Burnt Umber. I'm thinking about bleach knots right here. I'm taking Sunburn, y'all. I'm putting it right on top. On the lid, y'all. Cause with these colors, I want to add colors that I want to use, y'all. process. Super pretty on the lid though. Now that I look at it, it's super pretty. Brown into the lid. I'm gonna go ahead and close it in. I'll go ahead and blend this out and I'm coming back when it's time to add the wing liner. Alright y'all, so I had to do one of the wings off camera. I have to use my camera what I'm doing. Okay y'all, so I went ahead and got my lashes. These are lashes that I had and I was going to release them in my collection. These are 28mm lashes, but the thing about these is they're thin, but they're super pretty. So I don't know, would y'all wear 28mm lashes? I still have a lot of lashes left. So, and I don't know if people are into the 25mm lashes, but I don't know. I might take them down from the site because those don't even sell like that. So I'm going in with this little recipe. I really try to get in the corner of my nose because that part right there is always dry. I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit. Soft matte primer from Fenty. I haven't used this in a minute. And I'm only putting it like right here in my T-zone area and like right at my pores. Okay, fancy. I'm gonna do NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. So I'm actually gonna do New Caledonia. New Caledonia. This is New Caledonia right here, y'all. This is New Caledonia right here. I think Macau. This is Macau. I'm gonna go ahead and take that. I don't want to highlight right there. To be cold with it. The Sheer Glow foundations are that girl, no lie. Like I love the long wear and these, the best ones that you could ever get. Like I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my nose. I didn't contour yet. Let's see if I want to contour with color pop. So I'm gonna go ahead and powder my whole face. I want to bronze first and then I'll powder my face. So I'm gonna bronze with the Glamour Bronze. This is how it looks. So I'm only gonna add that to the cheeks. That looks so freaking good. It's called Tan. So I'm actually gonna take Tan, which is, and then this color right here to soften the edges. To kind of it's fun. So I did go back and like fix my liner. I am gonna fix my brows as well. But right now I'll fix that after I'm done, like towards the end. I want to go ahead and spray my face with, not spray, set it. Yeah, okay. So I'm not gonna add brush. I'm gonna spray my face down. Actually gonna do a video on my blushes, applying them. After I do this, you're gonna see me my blush on, and you're also gonna see me my lips. And y'all, this basically completes this tutorial. I've been trying different products, like these concealers. Like, I don't really use these, but I've been trying these. These actually was good, but I wanted to try Juvia's Place, and I like it. So just getting back to like trying different products. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I had to go change my outfit only because, baby, what? It's giving very much summer. It's giving, I'm ready for summer. And I'm putting this outfit right back on, okay? This is the look that I came up with, and it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's simple, yet it goes with the look. It's giving very much, I'm on the beach. I want mimosas. Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this look. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, and subscribe. And I want y'all to leave one of those sunflowers. I'll leave a comment right here so that y'all can go ahead and leave that if y'all watch to the end. Because if y'all made it to the end, y'all the real ones. And that's a fact. I think I'm going to go ahead and also have a Q&A because I do want to talk to y'all more. And I don't know if I'm going to keep the channel or make a new one. I'm also thinking about that as well. But like when the channel gets old and has had its time, I don't know, it's just not growing. So I'm thinking about making a new one to reach a new audience. And yeah, but let me know in the comment section below how y'all like this look. And that's the end. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.